Welcome to our guide to integrate Xobin with SmartRecruiters. This video will walk you through the process of setting up and testing Xobin assessments inside SmartRecruiters portal. Let's get started. Navigate to your Xobin dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar menu, and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look at the top navigation tabs and select Integrations. This will bring up a list of all the integrations. To find the right tool quickly, use the search bar at the top and type in SmartRecruiters. When the SmartRecruiters card appears, click the Connect button. Once clicked, it will open a slider with the Open SmartRecruiters button. Click it. This will open a new tab and take you directly to your SmartRecruiters apps and integrations page. Then search for Xobin once more. Select the Xobin Assessments app from the search results to open the integration details. To complete the integration within SmartRecruiters, click the Connect button. A list of permissions will appear. Review these permissions and click Allow and Continue at the bottom of the page. You will then be redirected to a Xobin login screen. Enter your credentials and click Proceed. If you have an active session elsewhere, a prompt may appear. Simply click Yes. Log me in to continue. A final authorization window will request access to your Xobin account. Click Allow Access to initiate the final processing. Once completed, you will be redirected back to SmartRecruiters, where a confirmation message will verify that Xobin Assessments is connected. Once the connection is done, there are 3 methods of sending assessment invites to the candidate. Let's dive in. Method 1. Sending an invite directly to candidates. Start by selecting the Jobs tab from the main SmartRecruiters navigation bar. Then select the specific job title to view the list of applicants. After that, locate the desired candidate from the list and click on their name to open their full candidate profile. Once inside the profile, scroll down the right-hand information pane to find the Assessments section. Click on the Plus Order Assessments button. In the Assess It pop-up window, ensure Xobin Assessments is selected as the partner. Browse the list of available tests, select the checkbox for the specific assessment you wish to send, and click Continue. A confirmation screen will appear outlining the assessment order. Click the Send button to dispatch the invitation. The candidate will receive an email with further instructions to begin the assessment. Method 2. Configuring the automated workflow. To begin, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Once the Settings page loads, scroll down past the initial sections until you reach Configuration and click on Hiring Process. On the Custom Hiring Process screen, select a hiring process of your choice. Under the Actions column, click the icon for Manage Inline Assessments. This opens a list of available tests from the vendor, Xobin. Scroll through the various assessment options until you find the assessment you want. Click the toggle switch in the Active column to enable it. Once the assessment is saved, a confirmation notification will appear at the top of the page. The assessment is now set, and the changes will be applied to your active roles. You can then navigate back to the Hiring Process menu and return to the Jobs tab from the top navigation bar. Now, let's see the candidate application and testing experience via this method. Candidates apply to begin your application, they fill out the required details and continue. Once done, they are redirected to the Xobin assessment platform. They review the instructions, agree to the terms, and click Start Assessment. After that, they complete the assessment sections by selecting their answers and clicking Next. Submit each section when finished. After submission, a thank you screen will appear, followed by an automatic redirect back to SmartRecruiters, where you'll see a confirmation stating application submitted. Method 3. Hiring Process Setup. To start, click on your profile icon in the top right and select Settings. Scroll down to the Configuration section and click on Hiring Process. On the next screen, select a hiring process of your choice and click the Edit icon. Inside the process, Editor, locate the interview stage and click Add Step. From the options that appear, select Skills Test. Once the step is added, click the Save Hiring Process button at the top right. Next, click on the newly created Skills Test box to open its options, then click on Assessments. On the configuration screen, use the Vendors drop-down to select Xobin Assessments. Click the green Configure button to see the test list. Find the specific test you want to use and check its box. Click Save in the top right corner. Finally, to automate the process, click the auto-triggered toggle switch for that assessment so it is sent automatically when a candidate reaches this stage. Now, let's see how to change the status and invite a candidate via this method. Navigate to Jobs, go to the top navigation bar and click on the Jobs tab to view all current job listings. Select Specific Role. In the Applicants tab, select the candidate you want to proceed with. Initiate Status Change. Click the Actions drop-down menu and select Change Status to trigger the update window. Choose Skills Test from the Status drop-down menu and click the green Change Status button to confirm the move. Verify candidate placement and confirm the update by checking that the candidate now appears under the interview stage in the Skills Test subcategory. Once the status change is complete, the system automatically sends an assessment invite to the candidate if automation is enabled. Finally, let's review results and detailed skill reports. To view the report of a candidate, click on Jobs, select the job role for which the candidate was assessed. Now, navigate to the candidate's name. Now, scroll down to the Assessments section on the right side of the screen. Here, you can find the score of the candidate for the particular test they have taken. To view the detailed report, click on the attachment icon as shown. It will open a new window with the detailed report of the candidate. With this, you've successfully set up, tested, and viewed results for Xobin assessments within the SmartRecruiters dashboard.